So I recently got this treadmill and I love so many things about it. It has a very low profile, so it's really easy to hide under a bed or a couch. It rolls really easy, there's wheels on the front end of it, so you pick it up by the back end and roll it where you need to. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but I don't think it's too heavy. There's a switch on the top right corner, just turn that on and it turns on. And if all you want to do is walk on it, it's all set up. You can just use the remote, push the power button, and increase the speed up to 3.8 miles per hour. Great to use for a standing desk, or even just while you watch TV. Very cool. But if you want to run on it, you just need to lift the handlebar to the upright position, and if the magnet is plugged into it, the upper display will also turn on. The upper display has preset speeds, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All you need to do is push the start button and then tap the speed that you want to go. If you want to go faster, just tap a higher speed. It'll go all the way up to 7.6 miles per hour, which you can get to by pushing the plus button. I find it really comfortable to run on. The treadmill gives just enough to be a little shock absorbent. And even though it's a compact treadmill, I find it to be plenty wide and sufficiently long for my stride. When you're done, just hit the stop button, and it'll gradually slow to a stop. But if you want to hop off early, there's even enough room on the side to stand. Of course, there's a magnet that also helps you be safe. In case you fall off the treadmill, it'll turn off. I love that when I'm done, I can roll it back under the bed, and it's hidden from sight. I really like this treadmill, and I definitely recommend it.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.